Hi, hello, good morning, students. See you again with me, Mr. Joko Triatno, the teacher of vocational high school. And now we are still in chapter 1 of this section. Uh, Dalam chapter ini kita akan menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan, teks, interaksi, transaksionalisan, dan tulis yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait jati diri dan hubungan keluarga sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Perhatikan unsur kebahasaan, pronoun, subjektif, objektif, and possessive. Demikian basic competence pada 3.1 yaitu untuk aspek pengetahuan, dan pada sesi ini kita akan belajar seksi reading and speaking. Jadi before continuing this discussion, I would like to show you a dialogue on YouTube. This is a dialogue about the family.
That's your cousin Teddy. He's a waiter. He's single, and he likes rock music.
It's my brother, Eddie. He's a doctor. He's got a wife and 2 kids, and he likes classical music. How about this one?
I don't know. A cousin?
No.
Your brother?
No!
An uncle?
It's my Aunt Judy.
Sorry, Mrs. Morris. She looks like your uncle.
Tell me something about her.
She's an architect.
Artist.
Married.
Divorced.
2 kids. 3 kids. 5 kids?
No kids. Only 8 more. Here's an easy.
I don't know.
It's my father.
I know who your father is. Why are you showing me photos of your father?
My family is coming in 1 hour. Now pay attention.
Why do you have such a large family?
It's not that large.
Not that large! You have 6 brothers and sisters, 14 aunts and uncles. Who knows how many cousins, nieces, and nephews? I'd say that's a large family.
They're not all coming over.
No, just 18 of them.
I'm sorry, honey. I just want them to like you. Calm down. It's okay. You're doing fine.
Okay. I'm okay. Your cousin John?
Well, cukup menarik kan dialog itu, dan kamu bisa mengulanginya, mengikuti dialog itu, pengucapannya, kan di situ ada teksnya tertulis, dan kamu ikuti pelafalannya dengan baik dan benar. Well, there are some vocabularies mentioned in this dialogue, and I hope you have noted. Beberapa kata tadi adalah kata apa saja? Nah, ini adalah family tree dari keluarga Pak Rudi dan Bu Ruri. Sebelum membahas itu, kita membahas tadi dialog itu tadi tentang family. Kosakata yang muncul dalam dialog itu tadi ada cousin. Cousin. Apa itu artinya? Keponakan tetapi perempuan. Oh, bukan. Dia adalah berarti saudara sepupu. Saudara sepupu. Kemudian ada kata brother. Artinya saudara laki-laki. Ada kata sister. Berarti saudara perempuan. Ada kata aunt. Itu berarti tante. Ada uncle. Uncle itu paman. Ada father. Ayah, bapak. Ada father maka ada mother. Ada juga tadi disebutkan nephew, niece. Nephew ini adalah keponakan tapi yang laki-laki. Nah, keponakan tapi yang laki-laki. Kalau niece, keponakan tapi perempuan. Nah, dalam family tree ini atau silsilah keluarga ini kita bisa bahas, kita cocokkan dengan kosakata ini. Ya, di sini kalau Mr. Rudy and Madam Ruri, ini berarti dia father and mother of Ida and Reza. Pak Rudi dan Bu Ruri itu berarti bapak mamanya, bapak ibunya dari Ida dan Reza. Ida ini perempuan ya, karena her husband is Hari. Suaminya bernama Hari. Dan Reza ini laki-laki, karena istrinya, his wife is Santi. Nah, Ida and Reza, they call Rudy and Ruri, call Rudy father, and they call Ruri as mother. Nah, jadi mereka memanggil ibu, bapak. Sementara Pak Rudi dan Bu Ruri memanggil mereka sebagai children, anak-anak. Memanggil Ida sebagai daughter dan memanggil Reza sebagai son, ya, anak laki-laki ya. Daughter, anak perempuan. Dan ini Hari, ini anak menantu dari Bu Rudi dan Bu Ruri. Anak menantu itu berarti son in law. Law, hukum. Son in law, anak laki-laki secara hukum. Yang ini daughter in law, anak perempuan secara hukum. Anak menantu itu. Ya. Nah, mereka adalah brother and sister antara Ida dan Reza. Reza menyebut Ida sebagai his sister, ya. Sementara Ida menyebut Reza sebagai her brother. Begitu. Kemudian mereka juga sudah menikah ini, kemudian punya anak. Ida dan Hari punya anak Yudi dan Rizka. Sementara Reza punya anak Valen. Nah, Yudi dan Rizka ini apanya Pak Rudi? Grandchildren. Anak-anaknya. Grandchildren. Yudi, Rizka, dan Valen. 3 ini adalah grandchildren. Anak-anaknya Pak Rudi dan Bu Ruri. Cucu-cucunya maksud saya. Cucu-cucunya. Nah, mereka Yudi dan Rizka dengan Valen ini bersaudara, maka dia disebut cousins, saudara sepupu. Valen menyebut Yudi dan Rizka sebagai my cousins. Demikian juga mereka menyebut ini cousins. Begitu. Nah, Yudi dan Rizka menyebut Reza dan Santi sebagai uncle. Ini menyebut ke sana sebagai uncle. Mereka ini menyebut ke sana sebagai aunt. Demikian juga Valen menyebut ke Ida sebagai aunt. Dan Valen menyebut Hari sebagai uncle. Nah, paham ya? Nah, demikian tadi kosakata dari dialog di YouTube tadi dengan family tree yang ada di sini. Dan sekarang kita di sini. Activity 6. Based on the family tree, fill in the blank with the available words in the box. Ada suruh mengisi titik-titik ini dengan kosakata yang ada di box ini. And tadi sudah ya. Brother, cousin, father, grandfather, grandmother, mother, niece. Semuanya saya kira sudah paham, tadi sudah saya terangkan. Misalnya, Yudi is Rizka's what? Yudi itu apanya Rizka? Yudi, apanya Rizka? Berarti brothernya Rizka. Yudi is Rizka's brother. Kan begitu. Sementara Reza is Valens. Valens apa? Apanya Valens? Rizka. Kita lihat. Rizka apanya Valen? Sepupu. Berarti cousin. Sepupunya Valen. Dan seterusnya. Kamu bisa lakukan itu semuanya ya. Rizka is Yudi's what? Rizka Yudi's what? Rizka apanya Yudi? Sister ya, sisternya Yudi. Berarti Yudi sister. And number 4, Santi is blank 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 Valens. Santi apanya Valen? Valen. Di sini ada Santi. Berarti mother. Ibunya Valen. Rudy is blank blank Rizka's. Rudy apanya Rizka? Kita lihat. Rudy. Rudy di atas ini apanya Rizka? Berarti grandfather. father, grandfather. Yeah. And so on. You may answer it yourself, okay? Yeah. And now this is the reading section. Activity 9. Read the passage carefully and answer the question clearly. Dibaca dengan baik-baik dan dijawab pertanyaannya. Dan you repeat after me. We read the passage together, okay? My family. I am Ari, 17 years old. I study at a vocational school in Jakarta. I love music very much, but I choose automotive as my field study because I like all about automotives. My family has 4 members. Those are I, my sister, and parents, of course. My mother is 47 years old. Her name is Rina. She is thin-faced and she's got long black hair and beautiful brown eyes. She is still slim because she always tries to stay in shape. She is very good looking, always well dressed and elegant. My father Hari is 5 years older than my mother. In spite of his age, he is still black-haired with several gray hairs. He is black eyes. He is tall enough, but a bit shorter than me. He is very hard-working. Besides that, he is working in a travel company. He can even make a dinner when my mother is outside. His cooking and his meals are always very tasty, as well as my mother's. Finally, my sister Belinda, she is 19. She is black-haired and brown-eyed. She has long wavy hair and freckles. She is divinely shorter than me. She is rather introverted, but she is very sensible, smart, and cooperative. Right now, she is studying English and also knows Arabic and Mandarin. I want to be so smart as she is. They all except me speak Javanese very well because we were living in Yogyakarta for 5 years. My sister have been going to primary school there. Unfortunately, I was only 3 when we were living to Jakarta, so I cannot speak Javanese. Now we are happily living in Jakarta. Jadi saya harap kamu mengikuti saya membaca itu dan you may repeat and repeat again until you are so fluent pronouncing English passage. Okay? Sampai kamu bisa lancar membaca juga bahasa Inggris. Nah, setelah itu ada pertanyaan komprehensifnya, ada 5 pertanyaan. Kamu harus menjawabnya. Dijawab ini. Number 1. What is the topic of the passage? Topiknya apa? Topiknya family, ya dah? Family. Draw Aris family. Ini kamu menggambarkan family tree seperti tadi Pak Rudi dan Bu Ruri digambarkan family tree, silsilah keluarganya. Number 3, mention the similar things of Aris parents. Kemudian sebutkan persamaan-persamaan, similar things, di dalam keluarga Ari itu. Ada kesamaan-kesamaan apa saja. Number 4, how many languages does Ari's sister speak? Ya, berapa bahasa saudari perempuannya Ari itu bisa bicara bahasa asing ya tentunya. Number 5, what are Belinda's characters? Karakter kepribadiannya Belinda seperti apa? You describe it here. Oke? Ya. Oke, selanjutnya kita akan belajar speaking. Ya, speaking. Activity 13, pair works. Write your own resume by completing the following sentences and present it in front of the class. Jadi, tulislah your own resume. Resume itu biodata, kurikulum vitae, bisa juga. By completing, dengan melengkapi kalimat-kalimat begini yang ada di bawah ini. Contoh number 1. Hi, my name is Joko. Ya, you may mention your own name. Hi, my name is Andi. Hi, my name's, ini singkatan is ya. My name is Tita. My name is Lucy. My name is Anastasia, etc. Begitu ya. Dengan kamu menyebutkan ini tadi, kamu sudah bisa self introducing ya. Memperkenalkan diri sendiri. I am from, isinya country, negara. I am from Indonesia. I am from Germany. I am from Australia, etc. I live in Yogyakarta, especially Waterstown. Ya, begitu kalau kita. Ya, I live in Jakarta. I live in Solo, etc. Next, I am blank 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 years old. Ini diisi bilangan, number. I am, kalau Pak Joko itu, I am 42 years old. Kalau kamu rata-rata 15 tahun ya. I am 15 years old, etc. Oke. My birthday is on 14 April 1978. Itu birthday-nya Pak Joko. Kalau birthday-mu, my birthday is on 8 August. Misalnya 8 Agustus 2003, 2004, 2005. Ya, kamu lahirnya sekitar itu ya, 2003, 2004, 2005. Ada yang 2002? Ya. Next. I am a student at Vocational High School SMK Negeri 1 Kokap, Kulon Progo. Next, my favorite subject is, subject ini artinya mata pelajaran. My favorite subject is English, misalnya begitu ya. My favorite subject is sport. My favorite subject is math, matematika, dan sebagainya. Next, my favorite sport is football, misalnya gitu ya. My favorite sport, apa olahraga favoritmu? Swimming, playing badminton, volleyball, jogging, running, etc. Next, There are blank 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 people in my family. There are itu artinya ada berapa. There are 4 people in my family, misalnya begitu ya. Ayah, ibu, 2 anak, berarti 4 people, etc. They are, mereka adalah father, mother, and 2 children. Ya, itu artinya 4 people. Next. My father is a blank 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 and my mother is a, this is about the profession. Ya. Misalnya, my father is a teacher and my mother is a teacher too. Ya, guru juga, teacher, guru. Mungkin ada juga yang lainnya. My father is a farmer, petani, and my mother is a market trader, misalnya ya. Trader, pedagang pasar. Ya, pedagang pasar. Oke, mungkin ada juga yang lainnya. Silahkan sebutkan. Oke, next. I would like to be a blank 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 because, ya, I would like to be a misalnya yang jurusan akuntansi. I would like to be a teller, bank teller misalnya, because I study accountants. Ya, aku ingin menjadi bank teller, tellernya bank karena belajar akuntansi. I would like to be a designer because I study at Kriya Tekstil, at DKV, at Kriya Kayu, and so on ya. Kamu bisa sebutkan macam-macam. My hobby is, diikuti ing. My hobby is ing, playing music. My hobby is singing. My hobby is reading. My hobby is eating beef ball. My hobby is sleeping. Ya, ing semuanya begitu. Next, in my free time, I also like free time. Free time, ini waktu bebas, waktu senggang. I also like, saya juga suka apa? Daydreaming, melamun misalnya. I also like reading, membaca. I also like singing, menyanyi, dan sebagainya. Next. I don't like, yang kamu tidak suka apa? I don't like fried rice. Aku tidak suka nasi goreng, misalnya begitu. I don't like you. I don't like singing, dan sebagainya. Next. My favorite food is, favorit, makanan favorit. My favorite food is beef ball, chicken noodle, is burger, is fried chicken, etc. Next, my favorite drink is iced tea. Misalnya begitu, lemon tea, banana juice, avocado juice, etc. Next, my favorite day of the week is Friday because it is short. Ya, Friday, hari Jumat, Friday, pendek, pelajaran sampai jam 14.30, begitu ya. My favorite month is August because there is an independent day in that month. Ya, Agustus ada hari kemerdekaannya Indonesia. And so on, macam-macam. Kamu punya alasan sendiri-sendiri. My favorite singer or band is, siapa favorite singer atau band? Bandnya apa misalnya? Ada band atau tambal band atau Yovie and Nuno band, gitu. My favorite singer or band. My favorite singer Afgan, ya. Agnes Mo, Bunga Citra Lestari, and so on. Okay, there are so many singers and there are so many bands in Indonesia. I like moviesnya. Batman misalnya, Batman 1, 2, 3, Batman Return, and so on. Next, my favorite place is mountain, misalnya begitu ya, gunung. I like it because of its height, ketinggiannya, bisa melihat view-nya menjadi lebar karena di puncak gunung. Next, I don't like traveling. I have been to, I don't like atau I like traveling. Kalau like traveling berarti suka jalan-jalan menjelajah. I have been to, saya sudah pernah ke mana saja. I have been to Australia. I've been to Singapore. I've been to many mountains, misalnya begitu ya, banyak gunung. I have been to many lakes, banyak danau yang dikunjungi. Next, the most beautiful place in my country is, menurut pendapatmu apa itu most beautiful place, tempat yang paling indah di negaraku? Is Gelagah Beach, misalnya begitu ya, because we can see oceans and also the backside is the international airport, misalnya begitu ya. Macam-macam, you have your own reasons. Oke. Sekarang vocabulary-nya kita drill ya. Ikuti saya. Move, and, brother, cousins, father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, niece, exchange, dormitory, invention, recently. Oke, guys, semoga kamu bisa belajar bahasa Inggris bersama Pak Joko dengan baik. And this is the formative test, tes ulangan harian kita. Kamu selanjutnya mengerjakan ulangan harian ini. Activity 16, competence test. Ini ulangan harian, kerjakan dan kumpulkan di Google Classroom. Ya, kumpulkan di Google Classroom. Ditulis di kertas, terus dipotret, terus diupload di Google Classroom. Begitu. Ini ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiple choice, pilihan ganda. Kemudian dan ini activity 17. Ya. Ini adalah esainya. What is the type of the text above? Where does water come from? What competition did he join in 2017? Number 4. Did he win the competition? Number 5. What was his debut which gained massive success? Ya, itu ulangan hariannya. segera setelah menonton video ini kamu mengerjakan dan akan saya buat due date-nya. Jadi nanti ada tanggal terakhir pengumpulannya kapan. Maka kalau kamu tidak segera mengerjakan nanti bisa ketinggalan. Well, I think the time is up. Thank you for watching and keep studying, keep learning together so English can improve ourselves. Thank you very much and see you.